It's time for some jokes from Pasquale. It's time for some jokes from Pasquale. Some jokes from Pasquale.
It's that time again. Arts and crafts with Pasquale. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna leave the jokes to him. Ladies and gentlemen, here he is, Pasquale.
Thank you, Chucky. And hello, everyone. I hope you are ready for a good time. Because I've got some great jokes for you today. So, are you ready? Because here we go. What do you call an octopus that tells the jokes? You're gonna love this one. A knock-octopus. Knock, knock, who's there, octopus? All right, here comes another one for you. What is a drummer's favorite vegetable? Any guesses? A beet. You get it? A beet. Dum chucka dum doo pow. I crack myself up, Pasquale. Okay, I've got one more for you. What do you get when you put too much pepper in your pasta? You give up? Macaroni and sneeze. Achoo! Achoo!